Hi guys, thanks for joining us for another unbox. Today we have another LawMate product. I know it doesn't look like it by the box, but bear with me. This is the HT-19. This is the hat that I've been so eagerly anticipating. So let's go ahead and we'll open it up and get into it. So inside the box we have one set of instructions, one LawMate hat with the connector cable hanging out the back of it, because that's how you connect it. The actual lens itself, guys, is just hidden right in there. So very, very discreet little unit. You do need to be aware of that when you're filming though. There's an extension piece for the hat, a DC connection cable along with AV leads, and a 9-volt battery pack. So this does take a 9-volt battery, so that helps power the camera if you're having issues with the DVR or you didn't necessarily have a DVR that had power. You've got that option. Do bear in mind that this unit does need to be used with either the 500 Eco 2 or the 500 L4i DVR. As a standalone unit, it doesn't have the facility to record. You do need to add a DVR onto it, so make sure you tick that box or shoot us an email and we'll be able to get that organised for you. What we're going to go ahead and do now, guys, I'm going to get all rigged up with it. We're going to shoot outside and I'm going to show you a little bit of what it can do. So let's cut to that. So I'm going to head and grab my Eco 2. You don't actually need a lot for this, so we won't actually even be using this 9-volt cable or the battery pack, so we can set those aside for now. All we're going to be doing is rigging up one 2.5mm cable, so we'll just simply go male to female. Done. We go male to female 5-volt on the Eco 2, so plug it straight into there like that. Insert our memory card, spin it around and flip it, so cut out on this side, and then push it until it clicks. And we're going to plug in the remote trigger release as well, just to make it fancier. So I'm just going to unwind that, and we're going to plug into where it says control. Just make sure you've got the pin on the right side. It can only go in one way because that pin's on that left or right hand side of it, depending on which way you're watching. We're going to go ahead and plug that guy in, and then I'll be able to hold down the trigger release on here for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Little green light, and we have our feed. So there you go, there I am. So the hat itself is quite discreet. The actual lens itself is very well hidden. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to cut to a shot of me wearing all this equipment. Obviously, being that you've got a cable running out the back of it, I'd suggest wearing like a hoodie or something like that on it, just to make it a little bit more discreet. But we're just going to turn this off for now, and next time I sit down, I'll be all rigged up.